Yo, we out here. Guilford, 2016. We got Dr. Derivative, the integration master, and B Slime.
It's been a rough life. Calc got us through this. Let's get going. B Slime out here. Start us off, Gord.
Woof, 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 woof. Welcome to Calculus 101. I know it's scary, but please don't run. Take your seat, man, and have some fun. Yo, B Slime,
Yeah.
tell them how it's done.
Yo, Jordan, man. Thanks for the introduction. First off, you need a graph of a function. Limits are easy. Yeah, I'll show you how it goes. Just follow the line and see where it flows. The limit as x approaches c is f of c. There you go, man. Easy as can be.
Teach you fools calc like a fresher ed burger.
Okay.
The limit of my swag approaches infinity and further. This is no calculator section, no TI-84, so just take your homeboys and head for the door.
Now let me take a second to tell you about a limit. When you're learning the rules, you better hope you're with it. Right and left sides approach the same point. Oh yeah, and don't forget, them lines best be joint.
Yep.
Your name with the 5, that's the ultimate goal.
Okay.
Anything less, Santa's bringing you coal. Take a walk in my shoes. I'm a calculus student. In the language of calc, at this point I'm fluent.
Limits took so long that I didn't want to live until we learned the shortcut. It's called derivative. Now everybody is doing just fine because we can find the slope of the tangent line. If you get the chain rule, then you the true winner. First derive the outer and multiply by inner.
Hey girl, I heard you want to derive, and you have things being multiplied. Well baby, you need the product rule, or else you'll be caught looking like a fool. F prime times G plus F times G prime, that's all it is, easier than writing rhyme. Just F prime G minus F G prime. I told you, it's as quick as a hair. Just put all that ish over G square.
If you need to integrate, it's best if you estimate. Use a Riemann sum. It's easy even for a bum. Take some rectangles and do summation. There it is, bro. That's your estimation. And congratulations, you just learned integration.
Once you differentiate, integrals are no problem. Just learn a simple rule, and it's easy to solve them. I take the exponent, add 1 and divide. Then I look at my answer, and I think, what a ride. Definite integral. Yo, call me a criminal. Plug in the top bound. If you ain't a clown, subtract a lower bound. Put my homie in the ground. First fundamental theorem. How's that sound? Below the curve between 2 points, the area is found.
If you've got an integral that looks kind of crazy, just use your substitution, man. Don't be lazy. Take part of your problem and set it as u. Then derivative of u is what you gotta do. Now the integral of that is easy as cake. But we're not done. Don't make no mistake. You gotta plug in u, man. Don't be a wimp. Now chug that, and you're a calculus pimp.
If you're in physics that's algebra based, your life's about to make a change of pace. Did you know that the derivative of position is velocity? Now you don't have to deal with the monstrosity. Instead of counting squares or looking at the slope, you can make the other kids look like straight dopes. And the derivative of velocity is acceleration. Now you'll be deriving with the fastest in the nation.
Yo, me and my homeboys roll deeper than rolls, and we flow with continuity, no gaps or holes. Yeah, call me chemo because I'm the calculus hero, and like the slope between 2 equal points, you're a 0.
You want to find the volume of an enclosed area? It's not too hard, man. Don't let it scare ya. If you have a disk, it's easy as pie. Just square the integral, take pi and multiply. If you have a washer, then you shouldn't be scared. Subtract the lower from the upper and make sure they're squared. Then multiply the whole thing by pi. Damn, that was easy. No need to cry.
The mean value theorem. I'm bound for disaster.
Don't worry, young man. I'm the mean value master. When it comes to this theorem, ain't nobody faster. Imagine an arc that's plain to see, continuous and differentiable from A to B. Now imagine some tangent line, call that is C. It'll be parallel to the secant through A and B. That's all for now. Mean value master out. Any more questions? Just give me a shout.
Are you trying to find the exact value of f prime? Got your calc with you, man. Don't even waste time. math and click 8, and derive your locate. Enter the data and get your answer. It's just like fate.
Now you know that on the test, timing is essential. To get a good grade, your knowledge must be plentiful. That's why we learn the second fundamental theorem, but it's got its laws, and you know you best adhere them. The problem may look long, but it's easy to solve. When taking the derivative integral, your brain must evolve. Just solve the inner function, get rid of the rest. No need to differentiate, just show you the best. Adapt a different way of thinking, get the answer real quick. You're welcome, everybody. Now you know the trick.
Yo man, if you've got limited supplies, then you're gonna have to optimize. Let me tell you all about optimization, this new fad that's sweeping the nation. First you have one equation to optimize. To enclose the largest area, that's the prize. But your second equation is a constraint. Your head is spinning, but please don't faint. Chill out and use the first derivative test for the absolute extreme value is what's best. Optimization is easy if you just work through it. Or go see Miss Strezpek, she'll show you how to do it.
Oh man, what are slope fields? They sound really bad.
Nah, home slice, quit tripping. They're actually pretty rad. Slope fields are easy if you know how it's done. Just derive your function, it's actually pretty fun. Take your derivative, then plug and chug. Now drawing those lines like a calculus thug.
Congrats, boys and girls, you just learned math. Now take some time to relax, go take a warm bath. AP Calc AB, check that off the list. Somebody asks you, say you got the gist. I think we can agree this has been a great year. Now when thinking about calc, we have nothing to fear.